How to filter job searches on Indeed. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application, or you can also use your Indeed app. At the top search bar, type in indeed.com and you will land onto its official website. Get logged into your Indeed account, search for any job that you are looking for, and also select the location. Once done, you will see this filter icon. Click onto it. And here you can choose if you would like to see jobs that last for 3 days, 14 days, or 24 hours. Once done, tap on update. And if you are looking for the job near your location and if that job is available, you can also opt for advanced searches. The advanced searches allows you to look for a full-time, part-time, on-site, and off-site job search. And that is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.